Alright, so I'm out here checking up on this epic project that we just finished up. And oh my gosh, who is that guy?
What's happening?
Are you the man responsible for this masterpiece?
I'm responsible. Homeowner had some ideas. Wes and I talked, and we all agree it came out way better than we even thought it would. It came out better than our rendering. It came back. It's just.
I mean, just look at it. Just look at it. Would you look at it?
Hey, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Flashback.
Good morning, here at the Eckel job with Ryan and Jose. So this morning we're gonna start digging the pond in. We got steps set, got patio base pretty much brought up the height. So we'll be digging in ponds so we can paint that side of the patio in here.
You ready now? Okay. Welcome to the Eckel backyard. We have half of the pond rocked in. Patio just about done.
So today, guys got the patio done yesterday. We just have a couple more cuts here along our edge to do to get the soldier course in. And as you can see, got the pond pretty much going. Jose, the cameraman, beautiful wall yesterday. Got a little bit more to come up on that. Then we're gonna start setting the fall box and getting that wrapped up.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Welcome to the job site. The patio is just about done. Just got to do this little landing. We also set the other wall cap today. Got our frame rocks in. Jose's pretty proud of it. So tomorrow we get to rinse it down and fill it up. We'll work on that fall. We'll get this retaining wall around the back of the biofalls done. Patio's going on.
A flashback.
Good afternoon, Ryan here with CE Ponds. So we just wrapped up this patio and pond project. I'm gonna flip you around. Here's the back side of the driveway.
Do you like me? If you do, please say.